हरे हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। गुरुदेव कृपा बिंदु दिया दासे ऋणापेक्षायोतिहीन। गुरुदेव कृपा बिंदु दिया दासे ऋणापेक्षायोतिहीन। हर सकल सहने बल दिया कर सकल सहने बल दिया कर। हे गुरुदेव सकल सहने बल दिया कर सकल सहने बल दिया कर। निज माने स्त्रियाहीन निज माने स्त्रियाहीन। हर सकले समान करिते सकति देहनाथ यथायथ। सकले समान करिते सकति देहनाथ यथायथ। हर तबे तो गाइब हरि नाम सुखे। 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 अपराध হবে হত अपराध হবে হত। অবিহীন কৃপা লভিয়ায়ে জন কৃতার্থ হইবে নাথ। কবে হেন কৃপা লভিয়ায়ে জন কৃতার্থ হইবে নাথ। হরে শক্তি বুদ্ধি আমি অতি শক্তি বুদ্ধি আমি আছি পরমরে আত্মসাৎ। পরমরে আত্মসাৎ। হরে যোগ্যতা বিচারে কিছু নাই পাই তোমার করুণা সার। যোগ্যতা বিচারে কিছু নাই পাই তোমার করুণা সার। হরে করুণা না হইলে কাঁদিয়া কাঁদিয়া করুণা না হইলে কাঁদিয়া কাঁদিয়া। হে গুরুদেব করুণা না হইলে কাঁদিয়া কাঁদিয়া। করুণা না হইলে কাঁদিয়া কাঁদিয়া। কেন না রাখি দয়ার কেন না রাখি Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare Hare. Bolo Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare Hare. Jaya Radhe Jaya Krishna Jaya Vrindavan, Jaya Radhe Jaya Krishna Jaya Vrindavan. Sita Mukta Mani Jaya Gopi Janti, Sita Mukta Mani Jaya Gopi Janti. Jaya Radhe Jaya Krishna Jaya Vrindavan, Sita Mukta Mani Jaya Gopi Janti. Jaya Radhe Jaya Krishna Jaya Vrindavan, Sita Mukta Mani Jaya Gopi Janti. Radhe 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 Shyam, Radhe Radhe Shyam Shyam, Radhe 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 Shyam, Radhe Radhe Shyam. Oh Radhe Shyam जुगल नाम मेरो है जीवन, Radhe Shyam जुगल नाम मेरो है जीवन. जय राधे जय कृष्ण जय वृंदावन, रसिका मुकुट मणि जय गोपी जन. जय राधे जय कृष्ण जय वृंदावन, रसिका मुकुट मणि जय गोपी जन. ओ स्वामी तो मेरो प्यार, स्वामी मेरो भट्टार, स्वामी तो मेरो प्यार. स्वामी समायो आठो जंतर मंदिर, स्वामी समायो आठो जंतर मंदिर. जय राधे जय कृष्ण जय वृंदावन, रसिका मुकुट मणि जय गोपी जन. जय राधे जय कृष्ण जय वृंदावन, रसिका मुकुट मणि जय गोपी जन. ओ नित्य सेवा नित्य धाम नित्य पाऊं आठो धाम, नित्य सेवा नित्य धाम नित्य पाऊं आठो धाम. राख रुचि सो जोई ठाकुरानी की, राख रुचि सो जोई ठाकुरानी की. जय राधे जय कृष्ण जय वृंदावन, रसिका मुकुट मणि जय गोपी जन. जय राधे जय कृष्ण जय वृंदावन, रसिका मुकुट मणि जय गोपी जन. ओ मेरा एक प्राण धन देखिए जीवन, मेरा एक प्राण धन देखिए जीवन. नंद नंदन मोहन राधिका रमन, नंद नंदन मदन मोहन राधिका रमन. जय राधे जय कृष्ण जय वृंदावन, रसिका मुकुट मणि जय गोपी जन. जय राधे हरे कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे. हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम राम. हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल. हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल. निताई गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल. निताई गौर हरि बोल. बोलो श्री गुरु गोविंद कृष्ण महाराज की जय. हरि स्वामी भाव तिथि हरि कथा महामहोत्सव की जय. गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि.
Hare Krishna. It's nice that everybody has come for this class. Maharaj has come from very far, from India, but he's doing a world tour. He's many times gone around the world preaching the word of Lord Mahaprabhu. And he's here today in Penang. Actually, we had gone to KL because to see Maharaj, but actually he was not supposed to come to Penang, but Maharaj insisted coming to Penang. So all your devotees are very fortunate to see Maharaj here today. And he's got a very tight schedule, so he's going back tomorrow morning. It's really very nice of Maharaj to actually decide to come to see us in Penang. Maharaj is a very senior devotee of our Gurudev, Sri Bhaktivedanta Maharaj Goswami. He's been going around the world preaching this message of his Guru, as our Guru, as well as Shiksha Guru, Sri Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj Prabhupada. And he's
Did you meet with Gaurabanda Goswami Maharaj?
No.
Okay, who met with him? Anybody here? No. Okay, speak to what? So long time drive and speak Harikatha in energy. Harikatha, energy. So much strength.
Actually, today, I never pronounced Guru and Gauranga. Today we were actually planning to not come to Penang actually, because we were having time schedule. We had an afternoon program somewhere, and then at 3 o'clock they came back and we said we can't make it because it was already too late. We can't make it at Maharaj. We will reach here at 9:30. We can't make it to the program. Maharaj said, no, let's go. So we came. We sped so fast and we reached here before everybody else. And we were glad that Maharaj is here. Every year he comes. Maharaj has been coming to Malaysia since 1999. Every year he has been coming. So he is a very special and dear Maharaj to us. So welcome to Malaysia, Maharaj. That's all I go.
Radha, did you meet with Right Gaurabanda Goswami? No. No, appearance. Yesterday was. But today I also glorify about his lifetime contribution. He was a great acharya. Okay, you speak?
Gaur Govinda Maharaj is actually a disciple of Swami Maharaj Prabhupada. For those who have met Swami Maharaj Prabhupada, he is actually a very dear devotee of Swami Maharaj, and he actually started one of the few temples as a devotee. He went to Bhubaneswara and started this temple, and even today the temple is there. Very special temple. Gaur Govinda Maharaj is actually a pure devotee, and some of our Malaysians are actually devotees of Gaur Govinda Maharaj as well. So today is his appearance day, so Maharaj will say a few words on Gaur Govinda Maharaj.
Om Ajnanatimirandhasya Jnananjana Salakayam Chakshurmidam Jena Tasmai Sri Gurave Namah Gurave Gaurachandraya Radhika Vaitadalave Krishnaya Krishna Bhaktaya Tadbhaktaya Namo Namah Namo Mahavadannaya Krishna Prema Pradayate Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namne Gauratise Namah हे कृष्णा करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगत्पते गोपीश गोपिका कांत राधाकांत नमस्तुते तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रियम् ॐ वृन्दावै तुलसी देवै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्णभक्त्यै प्रदे देवी सत्तवत्यै नमो नमः भक्ताविहीना अपराधलक्ष्यै हिताश्च कामादितरङ्गमध्यै कृपामयि त्वां शरणं प्रपन्नं वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दं 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 भजामि राधाम् अरविन्दनेत्रं स्मरामि राधां मधुरस्मितासं वदामि राधां करुणावरद्रं सर्वमनस्ते गतिर्नकाति श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. So first of all, I offer my humble, respectful obeisances unto lotus feet of my Gurupad Padma, Nitya Lila, Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Sapasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Siravaman Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Lila, Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Sapasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Sila Narayan Goswami Maharaj. And simultaneously, I offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, Lotus feet of Nitya Lila, Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Gurundu Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Rakhak Siddhar Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Maharaj, are all senior devotees and all Vaishnava and presently all of my respectful guests. Actually, yesterday was the appearance day of Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Srimad Bhakti Srila Gauraganga Goswami Maharaj, who was the great Acharya in Krishna consciousness. Gurudev, every year in his appearance and disappearance day, glorified about his life history and his contribution. Vaishnaver Gunagan Korile Jivatram. Chaitanya Bhagavat Vrindavan Das Thakur in this Bengali word quoted. If you glorify to the pure devotees of Lord, then you will be protected. Maya. Vaishnavir Gunagan. If you listen Krishna Katha, maybe some your confusion will come, doubts will come. But who listen the life history of pure devotee of Lord, Shuddha Bhakta Jivan Charit Katha, then in your heart so much inspired, you will be inspired to perform bhajan and sadhana. Why? Maybe a question will come. Everybody want to listen which katha? Krishna katha, Bhagavad katha. But Gaurabanda Goswami Maharaj, he told 2 Bhagavad. How many Bhagavad? Generally people, they know only one Bhagavad, Srimad Bhagavatam. But Gaurabanda Goswami Maharaj, he told 2 Bhagavad. One is called Grantha Bhagavad, or another is called Bhakta Bhagavad. Bhakta Charit Katha Adik, and you have to listen the pastimes of Bhakta Charit Katha. If you read Bhagavad, maybe you will be confused. Why? Because Krishna is the Supreme Personality of God, His Son Bhagavan. He is beyond of all rules and regulations. Bhagavan. Such as given example, Krishna performed Ras dance with the gopis. Srimad Bhagavatam, 10th canto. Describe Krishna's Ras Leela Katha. Krishna performed Ras dance with the gopis, those who are the wife of others Gopa. How many gopis assembled in the Ras dance? 300 millions gopis. Could you imagine? So confusion will come, doubts will come. Where Krishna is Bhagavan with the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, Jada jada hi dharmasya glani bhavati bharatam paritranam sadhunam vinasaya cha duskritam dharma samsthapanartha sambhavami juge. When the demon, Athura, they destroyed the Varnashram Dharma. That time Lord, He comes, He descended from Golok Vrindavan. And He killed the demon and reestablished the Varnashram Dharma, the rules and regulations of the society. But in the Raslila Katha we see that Krishna, He performed Ras dance, dancing, singing, embracing, kissing with the gopis, or those who are the wife of others group. Parikshit Maharaj asked this question also. Chhatrapati Bhagavan, He comes in this material world to reestablish Varnashram Dharma. And now, He is performing Ras dance with the gopis, dancing, singing, embracing, kissing with the others, ladies, gopis, those who are the wife of others group. So what kinds of Varnashram Dharma did He establish? I can't understand. This is true. This is the question. Kim abhiprayo Jadupati Bhagavan. Explain. This is very confidential. This answer will give later. So, but if you listen Bhakta Charit Katha, the character of pure devotee of Lord, then your heart will neat and clean. No doubts will come. Why? Because devotees, those are pure devotees, they are following all the rules and regulations of Shastra and doing bhajan and sadhana. Bhagavan Krishna, He did not perform bhajan and sadhana. He gave just instruction. Brahmana bhavo madhbhakto madjaji mang namaskuru. Sarvadharman paritajya mamekam saranam braja oham tvang sarvapebho mokshami masucha. He gave this instruction, upadesha. Upadesha, instruction. But He did not follow any rules and regulations. He performed Ras dance with the gopis, doing the dancing, singing. Then He stole the butter from the house of the Brajavasis. For this everybody called Him, what did He say? Makhan Chor. Butter thief. Are those the devotees, pure devotees? They perform bhajan and sadhana. They established Suddha Bhakti. And Acharya Guru means is one who follows all the rules and regulations of the scriptures and performs bhajan and sadhana and presented his life history. How? Everybody to practice devotional service to Krishna. Okay? So now coming in this way, if you listen to the character of pure devotee, then you so much inspiration coming in your heart. Yes, I have to do bhajan and sadhana. So for this regard, Chaitanya Bhagavat explained, Vaishnaver gunagan korile jiver tran. If you glorify to Vaishnava, then you will be protected by Maya. And especially in this Kali Yuga, Maya is very powerful. Maya re koriya joy chhadana na jay. Sadhu Guru bina nahi upay. You cannot conquer the Maya. Maya means the illusory potency of Lord. Bhajanga Sakti, external potency of Lord. Maya is very powerful. Devi Jesa Gunamai Mama Maya Turatta Mame Meja Prapadante Maya Mehitam Tarantite. Krishna says. Krishna says to Arjuna, my Devi Maya, she is very powerful. Gunamai Maya. She is very powerful. No one can escape from her clutches. She is like octopus. You know octopus? She is not so easy to escape from her clutches. So how we will to conquer Maya? Now Krishna said, Mam evaja prapadante. One completely, absolutely surrender to me. Then he can conquer to Maya. But before surrender to Krishna, you have to surrender lotus feet of Guru and Vaishnava. So now we are coming in this way, Guru Govinda Goswami Maharaj's life history. He was great Acharya. How do you know? Because I think most of you did not physically meet with him. Who met with him? Guru Govinda Maharaj? You? Where? Pardon? Singapore. He came also Malaysia. Kuala Lumpur. Singapore a few times, not many. 1 or 2 times. Anyhow, so, but how do you know about his great personality? If you read his books, Grantha. Grantha Bhagavat, Bhakta Bhagavat and Grantha Bhagavat. 2 Bhagavat. Bhakta Bhagavat, that is called Vaishnava, pure devotee of Lord. And Rup Sanatan, 6 Goswamis, you did not see, physically you did not see them. But you can see to them if you read their granthas, if you listen their character, and then you automatically bhakti will manifest in your heart. So now when the Gaur Govinda Goswami Maharaj, like yesterday in morning I also told, he was born in Odisha, and he was very highly educated also. He got the Utkal University and degree, bachelor degree. He got bachelor degree from Utkal University, BA degree. Then he got one government job, the school teacher. Then he married. After married, then he left his house. Then he came in Vrindavan Also he came in Mathura in our Keshavji Gaudiya Math. That time Gurudev, Gurudev Narayana Goswami Maharaj, he was not in the temple. Maybe Gurudev, he went to Jaipur or Delhi somewhere. And he took darshan, our Keshavji Gaudiya Math temple. Especially if you see Keshavji Gaudiya Math temple, Sai Maharaj, worshipful deity, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. If you see, if you go to Keshavji Gaudiya Math, the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, big deities, raise his hand this way. Actually, that deity worshipped by Nitya Labha Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj. Sutta Bhaktas worship deities means very powerful. Give automatically power to you. So now come in this way. Then Gauraganda Goswami Maharaj, he came in Vrindavan. Then he came in ISKCON temple. Then he met with Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, Varshan Prabhupada. He told, when I saw Swami Maharaj, Gurudev, then I completely, absolutely surrender unto his lotus feet. As like Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he met with Ishwar Puripad in Gaya, then Mahaprabhu told, Prabhu kaye Gaya jatra safalamar jatakhan dekhilam charana tomar. Mahaprabhu told, my Gaya jatra, the pilgrimage of Gaya is successful. Why? Now I am taking darshan, the lotus feet of pure devotee, Ishwar Puripad. Bhagavad Vida, Bhagavata, Tirtibhuta, Sankarva, Tirthakurvanti, Tirthani, Shantastena, Gadabrita. You know this slogan? Very powerful. Those are pure devotees. If you see the lotus feet of pure devotees, then your life will be successful. For that's the pure devotee, they can purify to everything. So think. So Gauraganda Goswami Maharaj, he completely surrendered lotus feet of his Guru, Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj. Then he received Harinam Diksha Mantra. Then after a few months, how many months? 6 months, somebody said. He took renounced order sannyas, very quick. Then Swami Maharaj also gave him order, you have to go Odisha, because his mother language, Odia language. He told you have to go Odisha and preach my mission. Guru Seva, this is very important. Srimad Bhagavatam, Prahlad Maharaj, he told, the Guru Suswa Bhakta Sarva Lavin Nacha. Sangena sadhunam Isara Aradhana nacha. Guru Suswa, to serve Gurudev, this is very important. But two kinds of Guru Seva. Listen very carefully. One is called Bopu Seva, or another is called Bani Seva. Bopu Seva means physically serve him, washing his cloth, massage his feet, cook for him. This is called Bopu Seva. Bopu means physical activity. Or another is called Bani Seva. Bani Seva means, what is Bani Seva? Preach his instruction, Harikatha. Instruction, preach. Harikatha. Brihat Mridanga. Brihat Mridanga Seva. That means write his grantha, transcribe his lecture, and spread all over the world. Now modern science, many kinds of technological development, very quick, within couple seconds, you can spread his Harikatha all over the world. Look there. Put this, and this Harikatha is going all over the world. Many devotees, they are listening to Harikatha now. Nowadays, science very developed and technological developed all over. So Hari Katha preach all over the world. Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada explained, and in this material world, very difficult to find out Hari Katha. Pure Hari Katha, how do you get? Most of the preachers, Hari Katha, they are not speaking Hari Katha. Yesterday someone told me. I'm very upset. The Maharaj, some Sannyasis are coming, speaking Hari Katha, 5 minutes maybe Krishna Katha, or 55 minutes, they also gossiping here, oh, this person is doing good, this is going to be bad, 55 minutes, just also criticize to others. No Hari Katha, no Krishna Katha. You know, you speak Krishna Katha, Govinda Katha. No need to criticize others. Who has no faults? Are you have faults or not? So why are you looking others' fault? First you repair your faults. You know, if your cloth is old, you have to what to do? Repair. Your cloth has many holes. Are looking at the hole. He has. And as like Steiner understands. Steiner says a little in your back hole. But Steiner, he is not looking how many holes he has. He is not looking. Steiner understand? Steiner. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Kaharana Ninda Pari Krishna Pari. No need to criticize to others. Chant holy names, speak Hari Katha. Guru Gopal Goswami Maharaj, he was very great acharya. So he preached the mission of his Gurudev in Odisha. He transcribed all his Gurudev lecture in English to Uriya language. He knew many languages also. English, Bengali, Hindi. He knew many languages. And also Swami Maharaj told, you establish one temple. Then he came and first he established a temple in there, Bhubaneswar. That place actually is what? Completely what? Dark place. And the place of dacoits. And those who are drinking the alcohol, as like Jogai Madai. You know Jogai Madai? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Leela, Jogai Madai. That means is what? Most of the rickshaw wala, and night time, they stop their rickshaw there and drink alcohol. Understand that place. And completely dark also. And that place he also established one small cottage. He was staying alone and established Thakurji, Gopalji. He used to go to Madhukuri and preaching people. And for Thakurji, everything he did. And preaching. And Sai Maharaj also came once in that place and he also told Guru Govinda Swami, this Bhubaneswar, this temple, one of the world famous temple. Now look how it's beautiful temple. And if you go Bhubaneswar, that temple is nearby High Road. Bhubaneswar, the High Road, very nice, beautiful, huge temple. About 200 brahmachari sannyasi are staying in there. Very nice, beautiful tradition. And many times I also went Bhubaneswar, Guru Govinda temple with Gurudev Sanatana Goswami. Not one time, many times to visit that place. Very nice, beautiful place. And Guru Govinda Goswami Maharaj, he was a powerful acharya. He is always speak the truth. What does speak the truth? He established our previous acharyas Tattva Siddhanta. For this regard, some his god brothers against him also. Just to give an example. And he told, some people are saying, that Godfather they are saying, oh, Jivas fell down from Vaikuntha Dham. But he told no. How possible? He also cut this philosophy. And because Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, what did he say? Jad gatva non-nivartante tadhamam param. One who attains my abode, Chiddham, Vaikuntha Dham, and he will never fall down. Jad gatva non-nivartante tadhamam paramam mama. Pitrijantri, Pitribata, Bhutani Janti, Bhutijja, Mat Janti Obimam. One who worship demigod and demigoddess, they will go that place. One who worship Pitriloka, forefathers, they will go Pitriloka Dham. Or one who worship demigod, they will go heaven, Sargoloka. Or Krishna says, one who worship to me, he will come my abode, Vaikuntha Dham. Or one who attend my Vaikuntha Dham, they will never fall down. Jad gatva non nivartante tadhamam paramam mamaha. He told very clearly explain this. Jagai Madhai, before they were Vijay. Joy and Vijay. Actually, Joy Vijay, they did not fall down. They are with Yoga Maya. They descended from Vaikuntha Dham to doing this Leela. Leela Asa. That is another thing. Jagai Madhai. They are not Jiva Tattva. They are called Parikar Tattva. That is the conclusion, conception of the scriptures. Joy, Vijay, they are the eternal associate of Lord Narayana or Vishnu. They are not Jiva Tattva. So how possible Jiva will fall down from Vaikuntha Dham? So how to establish this philosophy? In Bhagavad Gita, Sai Maharaj, he wrote also this verse. Ye jad gatva non nivartante tadhamam paramam mama. One who attain my abode, he will never fall down. He established these things. But some his God brothers, they also are complaining. Another thing he also established. And in the temple, some they put the peacock feather on the head of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. But Gauranga Goswami Maharaj told no. You can't put the peacock feather on the head of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And he wrote this, don't disturb the mood of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Krishna, this is true. But in this Leela, he is acting the role of Bhakta Bhav. Bhakta Bhav Angikari Kari. Krishna, he accepts the mood and complexion of Srimati Radhika. Radhikar Bhav Kanti. Laya avatirna hoilo. Krishna avatirna hoilo Gaura Rupa Dhari. That when Krishna descended from Golok Vrindavan in this material world, accepted Srimati Radhika's mood and her complexion. Bhakta Bhav Angikar. He is Krishna, this is true. But he can't put the peacock feather. This is Gaur Nagarikata Bad will come. Sahajya Bad. He established this philosophy also very boldly. This thing. Acharya means is this. Establish the perfect Tattva Siddhanta philosophy. This thing. I once also met with him, Gauranga Goswami Maharaj. Some their disciples think, oh, Gauranga Goswami Maharaj, never he met with Narayan Goswami Maharaj. But this is not true. I was there in Jagannath Puri. Jagannath Puri, in the That is the month of, what is called? Extra month? Purushottam Mas. That time Gurudev, he was staying in Jagannath Puri. That time Gurudev, one disciple, Singhania, their big house on the beach. That time I was staying with him. And that time also Jagannath Puri Parikrama was going on also. But most of the devotees, they were staying in our Gurudev temple. That time, that is called Nilachal Gauriya Math. Our Gurudev, he was staying, and Gurudev one rich disciple, Singhania, his house. And we are also staying with Gurudev. I remember, midday he came, with his one servant, and knocked the door. Then I remember I opened the door. Then he entered. Then he asked our Nan Goswami Maharaj want to meet. And that time Gurudev, midday, Gurudev took prasad, and according to the advice of Gurudev, a doctor, when Gurudev took prasad, he could not speak or meet with him. And I think that time was maybe 12:30, 1 o'clock, midday. That time I also informed to that time Madhav Maharaj, his brahmacharya name Naveen Krishna Brahmacharya. He is the personal servant of Gurudev Nan Goswami. That time now Gurudev is taking rest. Maybe he may come 4 o'clock, 4 p.m. Then 4 p.m. again also Gaura Govinda Goswami Maharaj came and also met with Gurudev. Understand? This is the evidence. That time also my uncle, Madhusudan Maharaj, that time his name was Krishna Kripa Brahmacharya, my uncle, who is the temple president of Devananda Gauriya Math. He was Guru. You can ask to him also. Gaura Govinda Goswami Maharaj, he met with Gurudev, and he also discussed some Krishna Katha. I think 1 hour he also met with Gurudev and discussed a nice, beautiful Krishna Katha. I remember this thing. And Gaurdham and also now Vrindavan Dham he discussed. And also Jagannath Puri Dham he discussed these things. Very nice Katha is there. I was there. But some his disciples confused. Some they complain, no, Gaura Govinda Goswami Maharaj never met with Narayan Maharaj. Well, how do you know? I saw diet. You did not see, so you go, Gaura Govinda Goswami never met with Narayan Maharaj. How do you know? So now coming in this Gaura Govinda Goswami Maharaj's life history and his contribution in his Grantha. If you read his Grantha, then you understand his mood, bhav. Especially his couple Grantha is very beautiful Grantha. What is called? That is called the embarkment of separation. Mahaprabhu's Vipralamba Bhav. Very nicely explained that book. If you know that book, then you may not understand why Lord Chaitanya, why Krishna descended from Golok Vrindavan in the form of Sachinandana Gaurvari. He wrote this many articles. The last limit, divine love of Srimati Radhika. He wrote this article. Vipralamba Bhav of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Who is Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is not from Srimati Radhika. When Krishna left Vrindavan, then Srimati Radhika, she felt pang of separation from Krishna. And same mood Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, day and night, and cried. Radhikar bhava che uddhava darsane, sei mata rahe Prabhu ratri dine. Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explained. When Krishna left Vrindavan to Mathura, then Srimati Radhika, she felt pang of separation from Krishna. Kaha mor pranaraj murali vadan, kaha jaun, kaha paun Brajendra Nandan. Srimati Radhika, she says these words. Where I will go and meet with beloved Krishna, who keeps the peacock feather on his turban. who plays the flute, I want to sit with him. In the same way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu felt pang of separation of Krishna and mood of Srimati Radhika. And that time only Sarup Damodar and Rai Ramananda pacified to them. Pacified to him. Rayer natak ar Saruper gan Biroher kale duhe rakhe paran. Chaitanya Charitamrita. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu felt pang of separation from Krishna, that means mood of Srimati Radhika. And crying and crying. And that in Sarup Damodar Rai Ramananda, in Radha Krishna Lila, that is called Lalita Sakhi and Vishakha. That in Sarup Damodar Rai Ramananda, they pacified to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. How? Sarup Irgan, Sarup Damodar, he recited very nice, sweet, beautiful verses of Vidyapati and Chandidas. And Rai Ramananda, he recited the slokas of Srimad Bhagavatam. Gopi Geet, Brahma Geet, Jugal Geet, Benu Geet. If you read, is Gopi Geet. I also wrote the Gopi Geet. Brahma Geet. You have Brahma Geet? You did not. High level separation mode. Understand this thing. So Gaura Gopinatha Goswami Maharaj, he wrote these verse also. The embarkment of separation. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Vipralamba Bhav. Separation of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Then he also wrote another grantha, that Mathura meets with Vrindavan. Actually, this is also Brahma Gita Katha. Separation mode. And day and night Lord Chaitanya would chant your holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. So Gurudev told, Srinarayan Maharaj told, if you read Gaura Gopinatha Goswami Maharaj Grantha and my books, and compare this same mood. Especially if you want to know Gurudev mood, you Gurudev want to read one book, what is called? The origin Ratha Yatra. Separation mood of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Same Gaura Gopinatha Goswami Maharaj told, and same thing, Srila Gurudev, he explained. Same mood is there. Because how will you know the heart of Guru and Acharya and Vaishnava? When you read his books, Grantha. Do you understand these things? Without reading his Grantha, how possible to know what kind of is devotee? As like if you know the Rupa Goswami Path. How do you know Rupa Goswami Path is a great Acharya? How do you know? If you read his Grantha, Ujjalinmani, Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, Vidakta Madhav, Lalit Madhav Grantha. They don't understand how Rupa Goswami Path fulfilled all the desires of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Sri Chaitanya Manovishtam Sthapitam Jana Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamajjam Dadati Sapadantikam. Narottam Das Thakur glorified about Rupa Goswami Path. This is glorification of Rupa Goswami Path. I pay my obeisance to Lord Rupa Goswami Path, who fulfilled all the desires of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. That Rupa Goswami Path give me one sprinkle mercy upon me. Sri Chaitanya Manovishtam Sthapitam Jana Bhutali Swayam Rupa Kadamajjam Dadati Sapadantikam. Why am I saying? Because if you not read Rupa Goswami Path Grantha, you cannot understand the Rupa Goswami Path, how was great, how was great a devotee. Grantha, read Grantha. In the same way, if you read Gaura Gopinatha Goswami Maharaj Grantha, then you understand. Most of the time, I am carrying Gaura Gopinatha Goswami Maharaj Grantha with me. When I travel around the world, and in my suitcase, I am keeping one or two Gaura Gopinatha Goswami Grantha. Especially true Grantha, always I am carrying. The embarkment of separation, Mahaprabhu Vipralamba Bhagavata. Or another, Mathura meets with Vrindavan. Many times I am reading. Then I also wrote that Grantha Brahma Gita. Collected all Acharya's commentary. Then I also mentioned this Grantha. If you read, what is Grantha? Brahma Gita. It's simple. Eh? All Grantha. Because without reading Grantha, how do you know he is great devotee? Just to write things to Facebook. He is Mahabhagavat. And chasing behind him. No. He associated with him. Read his Grantha. Then you understand. How do you know he is pure devotee or not? How do you know? When you read, when you associate with him. Sangha. Understand? Satsanga. Sadhu Sangha. You associate with sadhu, then you realize. This is that. So Gurudev most of the time glorified about Guru Govinda Goswami Maharaj, pure devotee. This thing. And he was great acharya. And he also chastisement, heavy chastisement, his disciples also. If you read his Harikatha, heavy chastisement. He says, oh, you are, what is called? Pig. Pig Maharaj, no, what is called? Forget it. Heavy chastisement. Cats, dogs, pigs. And he always, stupid, nonsense, rascal. And he also heavy chastisement. Everybody follow to Varnashram Dharma. If you read his Harikatha. Because if you not follow the Varnashram Dharma rules and regulations of the society, so how possible you will develop your spiritual life? If you spoke this. Very nice katha is there. Tato dussanga usrijya. Give up the bad association. Asat sanga tag. Sajjat and always associate with sadhu sanga. One rotten potato, rotten potato. Put in the sack of the potatoes. After a few days, then you will see all potatoes what? Rotten. Juice coming and bad smell. That juice you cannot drink. Bad smell. One potato, rotten potato, spoil the whole sack of potato. That means asat sangha. If you associate with bad person, then your life will be spoiled. So what this is our Shastra saying? Always associate with sadhu sangha. Sadhu sangha, sarva shastri kai, labamatra sadhu sangha, sarva siddhi hai. One moment, half moment you associate with sadhu, then you attain your highest perfection. Sadhu sangha. Give up bad association and always associate with pure devotee. Sadhu sangha. Satsanga. So Gaura Govinda Goswami Maharaj, he spoke perfect truth for this regard. Some his god brother is called him politics. They also banned to him also to preach the Western country. They banned. GBC banned. Oh, you are speaking this katha. They banned. He came in Holland. They did not allow to give Harikatha in there. I heard their disciples, they told me. My Gurudev came in Holland, Rotterdam or Amsterdam or what is it called? Den Haag. They did not allow to him to speak Harikatha. Look this. But his end of life. And in the disappearance day of Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada. And that day he was speaking Harikatha and how Krishna performed sweet Leela. And he spoke this Harikatha. And then a little bit pain in chest. Then he remembering Krishna Leela Katha and especially Srimati Radhika's separation moment. And then he attained Golok Vrindavan and eternally serve his Ishtadev, Divine Lord Radha and Krishna under guidance is Gurudev. Eh? Guru Govinda Goswami, I met with him also. Very love and affection. Eh? He also told me, that time was new, he told me, eh, would you stay with me? I told no, I will stay in Narayana Maharaj. I directly told him. But that time I knew, I told him. He was very love and affection. I remember, that smiling face and giving blessing. Suddha Bhakta. But heavy chastisement also. Srila Gaura Gopanta Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada, if Guru only glorified to you, that means you cheated. Vanchitosmi, vanchitosmi. If Guru chastisement to you, then you think if Guru mercy is coming to you. This is the truth. So Gaura Gopanta Goswami life is now about 9:15. So, and his Grantha, Harikatha, and I also, when I preach Western country, when I am coming and meet with the Gaura Gopanta Goswami disciples also, they are very humble also. Same mood of them, those who are really associated with him, and I saw they are very humble. When I used to go, most of the disciples in Australia. Every year, 99 and to now, every year I am going to Australia and met with most of the Gaura Gopanta Goswami Maharaj disciples. Some also used to be nonsense. This is the nature. In our Gurudev Sangha also, some also not good. In the same way, but most of the Gaura Gopanta Goswami Maharaj disciples I saw, they are very humble. Same mood of Gaura Gopanta Goswami Maharaj. And they also give so respect all Vaishnavas, love and affection. Because they got training from Gaura Gopanta Goswami Maharaj. This is it. And for this regard, when Gaura Gopanta Goswami Maharaj departed, and then most, I think 90% Gaura Gopanta disciple, they also completely, absolutely surrender with Srila Gurudev. Surrender lotus feet of Gurudev. Nan Goswami, I saw. And they followed. I saw this. Because they have some taste, Harikatha. This is the thing. So, Mahabhagavad, Gaura Gopanta Goswami Maharaj, again and again I pay my obeisances unto his lotus feet. If I receive one the sprinkle mercy from him, then my life will be successful. Jai Srila Gaura Gopanta Goswami Maharaj ki Jai Jai Shri Radhe. Jai Guru Deva Jaya Guru Deva Jaya Guru Deva Jaya Guru Deva Jai Guru Deva Jaya Guru Deva Jaya Guru Deva Jaya Guru Deva Jai Guru Dev Jai Prabhupada Jai Guru Dev Jai Prabhupada Jai Guru Deva Jaya Guru Deva Guru Deva Jaya Guru Deva Jaya Guru Deva Jaya Guru Deva Jaya Guru Deva. Just I want to forget one thing. Gaura Gopanta Goswami Maharaj told, when I established temple in Bhubaneswar, that time my Gurudev Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, he told, one day I will come your temple. And your temple will be the world famous temple. He has so much faith, Guru Bhakti. He told, I sometimes listen his Harikatha YouTube. He told, yeah, I have faith with the instruction of my Guru. My temple one day will be world famous. Look. Narottam Das Thakur, Guru Bhakti Vishwas. you have found faith with Gurudev, then your life will be successful. Guru Mukha Padma Vakka Chittade Kariya Vikka Arna Kariya Mane Asha. You have found faith with the instruction of Guru. This is the main thing. This Guru Vakya Vishwas. Guru Vakya Vishwas means you have found faith in the instruction of Guru. Or if you have no found faith in Guru, then where will you go? You will go here, Narak. गुरु वाक्य जार रहे जार गुरु पाद पद में रहे जार निष्ठा भक्ति संसार तद्य से धरे महाशक्ति. One who has nishtha, instruction of Guru, then he can deliver the whole world. Everything clearly. Sri Guru Charan, Sri Guru, what do you call? Sri Guru Charana Padma केवल भक्ति सद्म बंद मुई सावधान मोते जहार प्रसादे भाई ए भव तोरिया जाय कृष्ण प्राप्ति होय जहा होइते गुरु मुख पद्म वाक्य चित्ते ते कोरिया वैक आर न को रिया मने आशा. Guru Mukha Padma Vakya Chittite Koriya. You have to form faith in your heart. The instruction of Gurudev. This is very important. If you have no faith, the instruction of Guru, even you chant holy names, do many things, all they are useless. Nothing will get full. So Guru Vakya Vishwas. As like, sometimes given example, in Ramayana, what katha? Sabari and his guru, Matanga Rishi. Matanga Rishi, he told his disciple, Sabari, she was born in Locust. But Matanga Rishi told, after my death, departure from them, you stay in my ashram. One day Ram and Lakshman, direct, he will come in my ashram. For this every Ramayana, very clearly explained this. Sabarishi has faith, the instruction of his Guru, Matanga. Every day, she also plucked some flowers and pushed in the path. Oh, Ram, Lakshman will come. Many years, some Rishi Munis also passing that way and joked, hey, what will do? But no, my Gurudev told, one day, Ram and Lakshman will come in my ashram. So good day. Okay. One day, which day? Don't know. Today, tomorrow, after 5 years, 10 years, who knows. But Guru told, Ram and Lakshman will come in this temple. So it's faith. Then finally Ram and Lakshman came in the temple, and Sabari, he also fed very nice beautiful fruits and other things. In the same way, one who has faith, the instruction of Guru Padma, Guru Vakya. So saying Guru Mukha Padma Vakya Chittite Koriya Vikka Arna Koriya Mani Asha. No need any other desire. Faith of Guru Padma. Guru Seva. So I told two kinds of Guru Seva. One Bhapa Seva and Bani Seva. Bani Seva is very important. Transcribe Gurudev lecture, Hari Katha in books and spread all over the world. 500, more than 500 years before, Rupa Goswami Pad, he wrote Grantha. Now this Grantha is Ujjal Muni, Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. All Grantha is there. Juga Jugas, this Grantha is going on. This Grantha is called important. So Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, he told everybody, you have to preach my mission. How? Book distribution. Because this book is going to everybody. through Grantha Seva. That is called Brihat Mridanga Seva. Everybody. Guru Seva, this is important. And chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Jai Guru Deva, Jaya 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 Who has question? Huh?
Any question?
Huh?
Touch your head with the Shivananda. I read today in the Facebook. Could you tell us when he touched your head?
He's giving blessing. Huh? Yeah. So what is the question?
Just tell more about
One more katha. Yeah. Very merciful. Huh? He's giving blessing. Huh? To everyone. Do bhajan and sadhana. And firm faith, the instruction of Guru. And many lives, you enjoyed all kinds of sense gratification. Eating, sleeping, defending and mating. Which life you did not. And now also this life same. But Krishna Bhakti is very, very rare. This Krishna Bhakti will get with the association of sadhu, pure devotee of Lord. Krishna Bhakti janma mool hoy sadhu sangha. The root cause of Krishna Bhakti, that is called the association of sadhu. What is mean the association of sadhu? Listen Hari Katha. Understand? Listen Hari Katha in your ears and keep in your heart. Because Mayadevi, she is very clever. Mayadevi, she is very clever. She gives her two holes, here and here. Listen here and go with here. No, you have to listen this here and keep in your heart and practice. Chant holy name. and no need to criticize to others. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare, one life just to surrender to Guru. 100% guarantee. You will attain to Guru Vrindavan. If you not go Guru Vrindavan, no need to again. But 100% guarantee. Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada, he told in his Harikatha, they have one life, you surrender to Guru and Krishna. Many lives you enjoy it, not one life. Many lives you enjoy it, all kinds of sense gratification. But this life, just to serve Guru and Krishna. How to serve? Chant holy names. If you are a grihastha householder, if you are a brahmachari, banprasti, sannyasi, no need to change. Sthane sthita stutikatang tanumang navi. Jo prayaso ajito ajito vistaritu lakha. No need to change. Chant holy names, bhajan and sadhana. If you are brahmachari, brahmachari. No need to change. Why you change? Change means you have to brahmachari to go grihastha, no need. If you are a grihastha, householder, okay, stay in the household life. But chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Guru Seva, Vaishnava Seva, Thakur Seva. Thakur Seva, understand? Worship Thakurji. Vaishnava Seva, Shivigrah Seva. Mahaprabhu told, Prabhu kahe Vaishnava Seva, Nam Sankirtan, Dhui Kara Sigra Pave, Govinda Charan. Mahaprabhu told, Prabhu kahe Vaishnava Seva, Sarv Vaishnava. And or Nam Sankirtan. Vaishnava Seva, Nam Sankirtan. Vaishnava Seva means here also Thakurji Seva. You worship Thakurji, Vaishnava. If you have deities, you have to take care of your deities, worship Thakurji. Sadhu Sangha, Nam Sankirtan, Bhagavad Sevan, Mathura Vas or Srimurti, Shraddha Sevan. You worship Thakurji with firm faith. You keep your Thakurji in your Hridaya Singhasana. Hridaya Singhasana, understand? The throne of your heart. Understand? Not Thakurji will put in the altar. Oh, Thakurji, my altar. This is enough. No. You have to keep your Thakurji in your heart. How? With love and affection, with mamata. Mamata, understand? What is that? Possessiveness. Understand? Sometimes devotees are taking the Thakurji, because I am speaking this katha. Oi, you also keep your Thakurji in your heart, chest. Then he is sleeping and taking his Thakurji. I am saying not this. Keep your Thakurji means serve your Thakurji with mamata, possessiveness. As like mother, she serves her baby with possession, love and affection. Then, otherwise you got Thakurji staying in the altar, no offering bhog, no offering water, nothing. No, you have to offer something. You are eating or not? You are eating food? What do you eat? What do you eat? Whatever you eat, offer Thakurji. If you not eat, no problem. You are Vairagi, no problem. But we have to feed Thakurji. Sometimes my Gurudev also give an example. As a mother, sometimes he does not eat. But she, time to time, feed her baby or not. In the same way, mamata. Mother, she feed her baby. Time to time. Maybe she is not eating because she is very busy to cooking, this thing. But on time to time, she also feed her babies, mamata. Don't think, okay, when I will eat, Thakurji, I will give her. No, this is not. Understand? Or Thakurji sit in altar. And maybe today Ekadashi, Nirjala Ekadashi, I will not give to you. Because I have neither not to give to you. No. You have to for Thakurji. The grasha with mamata. So what is regarding Sadhu Sangha, Nam Sankirtan, Bhagavad Sevan or Srimurti Shraddha Seva. You serve your Thakurji with Bhakti. Then one day Thakurji will talk with you. You keep your Thakurji in your Hridaya Singhasan. Should not keep others. In your Hridaya Singhasan. Hridaya Singhasan means throne of your heart. Keep whom? Thakurji, Vigraha, Guru and Krishna. Then automatically no other person can sit. Which other person? Mayadevi cannot come. Where Thakurji sits, then Maya cannot come. Or if you not put Thakurji in your heart, then Mayadevi will come. Then she disturb to you. Last, anger, stupid, nonsense. For this regard, saying this way. Vigraha Seva is very important. And how to Vigraha Seva? With love and affection and firm faith. So saying this, 5 types of devotional service to God. Sadhu Sangha, associate with Sadhu, listen Harikatha, Sadhu Sangha. Nam Sankirtan, chant holy names, Sadhu Sangha, Nam Sankirtan, Bhagavad Shravan, listen to Bhagavad Katha. Mathura Vas, you have to stay in Braj. Here Mathura means Braj. If not physically to stay in Braj, but in your mind, you have to stay in Braj. That means listen Braj Katha. Tishtan Braje, Tadanuragi, Jananugami, Kalam Noet, Akhilam Ittopadisha Saram. And fifth, Srimurti Shraddha Shiva. You serve your Thakurji with firm faith, with mamata, possessiveness. Mamata, understand? Ananda mamata Vishnu, mamata prema sangata. Mamata, ananda mamata, 1.8. With Thakurji and serve Thakurji. Then one day Thakurji will talk with you also. As like our Sanatana Goswami Pad. He talked with Thakurji, Madan Mohan. And another? Lokanath Das Goswami. His worshipful deity's name is what? Vinodi Lal. He talked with the Thakurji. He served with Thakurji. For this Thakurji talked with. Just you put your Thakurji in the altar, how possible Thakurji talk with? No. You put your Thakurji in your heart. Understand? That means with mamata serve. Then Thakurji will be say, hey, give me some glass of water. Give some sabji. Give this thing. Massage my feet. Understand? As like Lokanath Das Goswami worship with Thakurji. What is his name? Radha Vinodila. If you go to Jaipur, every year I am going also to that temple. Very nice, beautiful day. Once, night time, Lokanath Das Goswami, he served his Thakurji midnight, and he is taking rest. Then Thakurji come. Lokanath opened his eye, Thakurji told, Lokanath, today I can't sleep. Today what happened? So much pain in my feet. But how? Because tonight I played flute by gopis. They also stole my flute. And they played the flute, they also made me dance. Radha nache, Krishna nache, nache gopi gan. Man mera ban gayi resagi, pavan vrindavan. Sometimes sing this. You listen or not? Radha nache, Krishna nache, nache gopi gan. Man mera ban gayi resagi, pavan vrindavan. Radha nache, Krishna nache, nache gopi gan. Man mera ban gayi resagi, pavan vrindavan. Lita nache, Sakha nache, nache saki gan. Man mera ban gayi resagi, pavan vrindavan. Radha nache, Krishna nache, nache gopi gan. Man mera ban gayi resagi, pavan vrindavan. Radha Vinodi Lal told, gopis, they stole my flute. And they played my flute, then they made me dance. Oh no, they did not stop. They are dancing, also I was dancing. So much pain coming in my feet. I cannot see. I had dubre. Please. So please massage my feet. Then Lokanath Goswami very nicely and gently massage the feet of his Thakurji. Understand this? Then Loknath realized that Thakurji is taking rest. Thakurji is sleeping. Then Loknath Das Goswami returned back his bed and chanting holy names, Hare Krishna, Krishna. Sleep. Then again Thakurji came. Loknath. What happened? Loknath opened his eyes. Thakurji told Vinodilal, Loknath, today is very hot. I can't sleep. That time no fan, nothing. No. So Thakurji told, please, fanning to me. Then Loknath Goswami, he fanning the Thakurji with the lips. Then Thakurji slept. Thakurji slept. Then Loknath Goswami again returned back his bed and just couple seconds. Again Thakurji came. Loknath. Thakurji bole, what happened? Thakurji told Loknath, I am very hungry. Loknath told, okay, what do you want to eat? Why you want to puri and potato sabji? Then Loknath at that time was maybe 1 o'clock, 1 a.m. or 2 a.m. Loknath very quickly, he made very nice, beautiful puri. You know puri? Yes, nice puri. And also prepared very nice sabji, potato, tomato sabji. And put some chili, because Braj Thakur, they like to eat chili sabji. And put the ghee with. Then over to Thakurji ate kabaka. Then Thakurji ate, then Thakurji told Loknath, one thing I tell to you. What is that? Every day you also did Mangal Arati 4:30, 4 o'clock today now. Because now look, about 2:30. So how possible I will wake up? 4. So when you will do Mangal Arati? Thakurji told, 10 o'clock. 10 a.m. Still this tradition is in Vrindavan, some temple, Radha Raman temple you can go. They are also doing Mangal Arati what time? About 8, 9 or 10 o'clock. Then Loknath said, okay. Then Thakurji after taking prasad, then sleeps. How many hours? 10 o'clock, until 10 o'clock. Then Loknath Goswami after 10 a.m. and he told Thakurji, wake up. Then Thakurji, Thakurji told Loknath, you told me 10 o'clock, look down till how long you sleep. Wake up. Thakurji, okay, I am wake up. Hello, Radha Raman Bihari Lal Ki Jai. So this, you keep your Thakurji in your Hriday Singhasan, throne of your heart. And in this way, with Mamata love and affection, Sir Thakurji, then Maya cannot attack you. This is the process. How to conquer the Maya, last anger? If you worship Thakurji, the Graseva, with your Mamata love and affection. Balavrindavan Bihari Lal Jai Jai. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Gaura Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Also I brought some Janmashtami prasad, laddu prasad. So I give you, bring laddu prasad. Everybody come and take Vrindavan laddu prasad. Everybody come. Radha Shukhi, okay? Good? Okay, come, take prasad. Oh, yeah. Take Vrindavan prasad, also this prasad. Very good. Everybody please come. Forward.
Mahaprasad.
Oh, it will books. Huh? Yeah? Yeah, yeah. This is the laddu from Vrindavan. How do you feel? Good?